Descends on me, a crown of majesty. Your spirit fills the air, heaven everywhere. I see your glory glow in every heart I know. Your grace forever reigns through joy and pain. The earth bows down to sing to Christ our risen King. Let every nation rise and lift your name on. Kingdom of heaven, let your fire fall. Fill the world and touch us all. Every soul, every sound, your glory. The morning softly glows, your mercy gently flows. In silence I am found on holy ground. Your spirit fills the air, a whisper everywhere. I lay my burdens down. You wear my crown. You move in every breeze. You speak in gentle keys. My heart begins to see your peace in me. Presence of peace, pure and bright, wrap me in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your goodness all around. Presence of peace, calm and true. I am still because of you. Here my soul finds release. Presence of your hands restore my heart from brokenness apart. You sing a quiet song where I belong. The world can fade away, but I'm in you today. Your stillness covers me eternally. You move in every breeze. You speak in gentle keys. My heart begins to see your peace in me. Presence of peace, pure and bright, wrap me in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your goodness all around. Presence of peace, calm and true. I am still because of you. Here my soul finds release. Presence of peace. Let your stillness stay, guide me every day. I'm resting in your grace and your embrace. Presence of peace, pure and bright, wrap me in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your goodness all around. Presence of peace, calm and true. I am still because of you. Here my soul finds release. Presence of Presence of peace, breathe over me. Night gives way to day. Your peace lights every way. I breathe the morning air. You're everywhere. The earth begins to sing. No mercy you will bring. Every shadow's gone. The light lives on. You move within the light. You turn my dark to bright. Forever I will stay in your holy day. Spirit of dawn, rise in me. Set my soul completely free. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Spirit of dawn, pure and true. Every morning starts with you. Hearts forever drawn. Spirit of dawn. The sky begins to glow. Your rivers start to flow. Each color speaks your grace in every place. The sunlight on my skin reminds me you're within. I lift my eyes to see your victory. You move within the light. You turn my dark to bright. Forever I will stay in your holy day. Spirit of dawn, rise in me. Set my soul completely free. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Spirit of dawn, pure and true. Every morning starts with you. Hearts forever drawn. Spirit of dawn, your light becomes my song. I've waited all night long. Now faith and love arise in morning skies. Spirit of dawn, rise in me. Set my soul completely free. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Spirit of dawn, pure and true. Every morning starts with you. Hearts forever drawn. Spirit of dawn. Spirit of dawn, awaken me. Spirit of dawn. Holy waves wash over me. In the stillness of the sea, your spirit covers me. Every current, every tide, you're by my side. Your peace like ocean rain heals my every pain. I surrender to your flow and let you show. You move so soft and clear. Your presence draws me near. I breathe you in again, my dearest friend. Holy waves roll through me, set my heart completely free. Every beat, every sound, your grace is all around. Holy waves, pure and true, carry me back to you. Every soul you raise through holy waves. Through the dark and through the storm, your arms keep me warm. When I fall, you lift me high beyond the sky. Your love will never end. It comes and flows again. Forever you remain my sweet refrain. You move so soft and clear. Your presence draws me near. I breathe you in again, my dearest friend. Holy waves roll through me, set my heart completely free. Every beat, every sound, your grace is all around. Holy waves, pure and true, carry me back to you. Every soul you raise through holy waves. Let your spirit rise under endless skies. Wash me in your grace, in your embrace. Holy waves roll through me, set my heart completely free. Every beat, every sound, your grace is all around. Holy waves, pure and true, carry me back to you. Every soul you raise through holy waves. Holy waves wash over me. Holy waves. House of light, I'm coming home. Through the veil I see your glow, a path where angels go. Your mercy beckons me eternally, each step a holy flame. Forever praise your name. You open heaven's door. I'm yours, my only more. Every setting dies in your eyes. House of light, pure and bright, shine through the darkest night. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. House of light, safe and true. All my hope returns to you. Hearts forever right in your house of night. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. House of light, safe and true. All my hope returns to you. Hearts forever right in your house of in your house alive. House of light, I'm coming home. House of light. hearts of heaven shine in me. Your love is all I see. It flows so endlessly through every rise and fall. You're over all. The morning fills the air, your spirit everywhere. My heart begins to glow, I let it show. Your peace ignites the night, turns darkness into light. Forever I'll remain to praise your name. Hearts of heaven, pure and bright, burning in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of heaven, true and free, beat in perfect harmony. All I am is given to hearts of heaven. Hearts of I hear the angels sing the songs of offering, each note a ray of grace in your embrace. The earth and sky combine, your love through space and time. Forever I will be in your melody. Your peace ignites the night, turns darkness into light. Forever I'll remain to praise your name. Hearts of heaven, pure and bright, burning in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of heaven, true and free, beat in perfect harmony. All I am is given to hearts of heaven. Your love won't fade away, it shines through every day. Your spirit fills the air beyond compare. Hearts of heaven shine in me. Hearts of heaven. Winds of grace carry me. I feel your spirit near, whispering soft and clear through every lonely place. You breathe and life begins. You calm the storm within. I lift my hands to see you're moving me. You move where hearts are still. You speak your perfect will. Your peace becomes my song, where I belong. Winds of grace blow through me, set my spirit wild and free. Every breath, every sound, your mercy all around. Winds of grace, pure and true, lead me back again to you. All my heart you raise through winds of grace. The night has lost its fear. Your spirit draws me near, like air that fills my chest. In you I rest. You carry me so high, above the tears I cry. Your presence fills the space with holy grace. You move where hearts are still. You speak your perfect will. Your peace becomes my song, where I belong. Winds of grace blow through me, set my spirit wild and free. Every breath, every sound, your mercy all around. Winds of grace, pure and true, lead me back again to you. All my heart you raise through winds of grace. Your spirit fills the air, your love beyond compare. I rise in your embrace, in winds of grace. Winds of grace blow through me, set my spirit wild and free. Every breath, every sound, your mercy all around. Winds of grace, pure and true, lead me back again to you. All my heart you raise through winds of grace. Winds of grace carry me. Heavenly fire, light my desire. In the quiet of my soul, your flame has made me whole. You breathe into the night, and I ignite. Your presence fills the air, a burning holy prayer. Every fear receives. Your spirit